जम्मू आ गए, दिल्ली आ गए, अलग अलग जगह पे आ गए, और अभी सरकार उनको करीब प्रिजन सेटल।
मेरी बात समझ गए क्या? सबके साथ मर्डर हो जाता है क्या? सारी बहुएं जला के मार दी जाती?
Hello student, we are once again with you and I am going to discuss today a very important case law and the topic is related to the specific performance of contract. We always remember student ki whenever there is a formation of contract, both the parties are to fulfill their own obligation. Just imagine if one party failed to perform the obligation, the party who suffered it will go to the court and will seek remedy. The remedy may be either specific performance of contract or it may be simply damages. Now the question is, when the plaintiff filed a suit for specific performance of contract, the court is to grant the remedy. We always remember that with the Amendment Act of 2018, now the remedy for specific performance can be refused only 3 grounds. Number first, that is 11 clause 2, section 14 and section 16. इस केस में जो अभी हम लेटेस्ट आपके साथ डिस्कशन करेंगे ये इसी पॉइंट पर है कि क्या सेक्शन 16 में जो प्लेंटिफ का कंडक्ट होगा क्या वो उसको स्पेसिफिक परफॉर्मेंस की रेमेडी लेने से डिबार करेगा या नहीं. सो अंडर सेक्शन 16B स्टूडेंट वी ऑलवेज नो दैट इफ प्लेंटिफ फेल्ड टू प्रूव readiness and willingness to perform the contract, he is not entitled to get the remedy of specific performance. The question here is कि whether the plaintiff need to prove in the court of law that he is always ready and willing to perform the contract. So already we have plethora of judgments in the same context, but if we need to take a latest judgment in the same context, we will prefer this case, and the name of this case is Shama Naik versus Srinivasiya 2024. This is the judgment in which the Supreme Court once again stated that if plaintiff want to seek remedy of a specific performance, he must prove in the court of law that he was always ready and willing to perform the contract. When we talk about readiness, it means he must have the capacity to fulfill the obligation in terms of financial capacity. यहाँ पर जो plaintiff है जो ऑलरेडी कुछ certain amount को ऑलरेडी पे कर चुका है, rest amount he is to pay, बट उसके पास वो sufficient amount अकाउंट में नहीं है, तो कोर्ट ने कहा आपको ये चीज़ प्रूव करनी पड़ेगी कि आपके पास उतना सफिशिएंट फंड्स है जितने की आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी टू परफॉर्म योर ऑब्लिगेशन. तो अगर आपने ऑलरेडी ही सपोज यहाँ पर एक टर्म था कि आप 30 लाख रुपीज़ आपको पे करना था, उस 30 लाख में से आपने 2.5 लाख पे कर दिया, बट रेस्ट वॉज रिमेनिंग and you can see it is a major portion which was not paid. यहाँ पर प्लेंटिफ ने अपनी इस कैपेसिटी को कोर्ट में प्रूव नहीं कर पाया that he is having all the means, he is having the capacity to pay the whole amount. His account was not having that adequate amount. तो यहाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सेटल डाउन करा वही एग्जिस्टिंग फैक्ट्स को एज पर सेक्शन 16 ऑफ SRA that the plaintiff was need to prove that readiness is duration of whole time. यहाँ पर क्योंकि plaintiff का readiness prove नहीं हुआ, the court refused to grant the remedy of specific performance in favor of plaintiff. So this was the point which I was discussing here. If you want to write about the same context, plaintiff must prove readiness to seek remedy for specific performance. This was all in the context of this particular case. Thanks for watching this video.
Subscribe for more content.